Hi, I'm Amanda Mendenhall, and you're watching Free Gas Friday. We have found a black Chevy Equinox with a Harry Robinson sticker. So we're gonna go inside and see if we can find who owns this vehicle.
Hello. Hi there.
Hi.
We have two?
Well, we're trying to see who owns the black Chevy Equinox that's parked underneath the awning over here.
Okay.
The carport.
Okay. What is that for or why?
Well, it has a Harry Robinson sticker and we're wanting to give somebody some free gas.
Who's the winner?
How are you?
Good, how are you? My name is Amanda Mendenhall. I'm with Harry Robinson Buick GMC, and we saw your black Chevy Equinox out there with the Harry Robinson sticker on it.
You speak Spanish?
No?
No.
No?
Speak English.
He needs to translate that.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And I'm just wanting to give him some free gas.
Que lo más bien te queda cosas
Desde que miró allá
gratis.
afuera el sticker.
Como tienes el sticker de Harry Robinson en tu carro, y por eso lo más te quedan dar cosas gratis.
No, muy bueno. Muy bueno.
So, we're going to give you $50 of free gas for the hydration station on Zero,
$50 de gas.
Oh, really?
and some other
You sure?
little Harry Robinson goodies in here for you, and we thank you for your business.
Y gracias por tu negocio.
Muy bien.
Thank you.
My birthday?
Huh?
My birthday?
Well, sure.
What was your name?
Thank you.
What's his
Felipe.
name?
Felipe.
Felipe?
All right.
Okay, great.
Well,
Is
thank
it
you very
okay if I
much.
post this video to our webpage?
Si lo pueden poner en la internet en su.
Sure.
All right.
Thank you so much,
very
and
much.
congratulations.
Have a good day. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. We appreciate everybody that shops local and keeps that Harry Robinson sticker prominently displayed on your vehicle. Today, we found some local customers and gave away $50 of free gas.